All right, y'all say hey.
No.
That wasn't fun. Okay. New page in your notes. We are on section 2-3. Page 95, section 2-3. And let's see, the name of the section is multi-step equations. Yesterday was one step. Today is multi. And I am just going to start out with an example. 11x, sorry, let me rewrite that. 11x minus 4 equals 29. This is done the same way we did it yesterday. You know how I would say focus on the variable and look at what's in the way. What do I need to move? Today, we're going to have 1 or 2, possibly 3 things, quote unquote, that we need to move. Okay? Easy question, number 1, what is the variable? X. Here is the variable. I'm going to box it right there. I need that by itself. If you look at the equal sign, I have 2 things in the way. I have an 11, and what's the other one?
4.
Be more specific. -4. Okay? I need to move both of those over. What do I do first is the key. Amelia. Excellent. Amelia, why am I adding 4? Good. I'm canceling this out. All right, now I'm going to bring everything down. 11x equals 29 plus 4 is 33. Good. All right, Amelia, we're not done. Now what? Divide by 11, because what you do on one side, you do on the other. This cancels out, and the answer is 3. Is this familiar? Somewhat. Can you check it? Absolutely. 11 times 3 is what? 33? 33 minus 4, is it 29? Yeah, you got it right. All right, number 2. 2a minus 6 equals 4. Do it. In your notes, I want you to do this one by yourself. Good. All right. Who wants to do this one with me? Kenna, go for it. What's the variable?
A.
A. All right, what's my first step?
You add 6 to both sides.
Yes. Why am I adding 6?
Because you have to get rid of the 6 in order to get the variable alone.
That's right, and it's negative here.
Mm-hmm.
To cancel it out, you do the opposite, okay? Bring everything down. What's next? 2a equals 10. Next.
And then you divide both sides by 2.
Good.
And 2a gets canceled. And then A equals whatever 10 divided by 2 is, which is 5.
Thank you. Who got this right? Awesome. Let's do one more. 3m plus 4 equals negative 11. Remind me to change something in LMS. Okay, who's got it? Somebody new, somebody besides Jackson, go for it. What's my variable? M, all right, what's my first step?
Subtract 4 on both sides.
Okay, why am I subtracting 4?
Because it's positive.
Yes, good. So I need to cancel it, so I'm subtracting. Okay, next.
Then you have 3m equals negative 15, so then you divide 3 on both sides.
And what'd you get for M?
M equals negative 5.
Who got negative 5? Okay, excellent. Okay, everybody put your pencils down, and I want you to look up here. Okay. I want you to look at this step here. Jackson did it perfectly. Amelia did it great in the last problem. So in the warm-up earlier, we're adding and subtracting integers. I'm telling you, y'all can do the work, but the most mistakes that I see is this step here. Negative 11 and negative 4. This is where you make mistakes. Okay, please take your time and make sure you do that part correctly. Okay? I promise you, this is where I see the mistakes. Okay, and unfortunately, if you do the work right, but you do the math wrong, it's wrong. Okay, so make sure you pay attention. All right, I'm gonna get a new page. I got another kind of problem to show you that looks a little different, but to be honest, it's just as easy. Okay, so go ahead and write number 4. I'm gonna do a new page. A plus 7 over 8 equals 5. This is actually only 2 steps. The first step is the most important, but after that, actually really simple. Who can tell me, what do they think the first step is? What do you not like looking at right now? The 8. Remember yesterday, I told you to bring out that fraction? Okay, one step here. Lydia's got it. What do you think you do? Not divide. Okay. Multiply. What do I multiply by? 8 on both sides. Let's get rid of this 8. Remember the reciprocal. We're going to bring this out. We're going to flip this over. 8. What you do on one side, you do on the other. The reason we're doing that is to make this cancel. Okay? All I have left here is a plus 7 equals, guys, what's 5 times 8? 40. Now what? Yes. Good. What's 40 minus 7? 33. There's your answer. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, star this one. Drew, when I say star, that's a hint. That means you will see this problem again, okay? Let's check. Why not, right? 33 plus 7 is what? 40. 40 divided by 8. Is it equal to 5? Yes. All right. Here's one to do by yourself. N plus 1 all over negative 2. Sorry. Equals 15. Same problem, different numbers. Focus on the variable as n. Now you need to figure out, in this problem, what do you need to move or get rid of first? It's the same kind of problem, different numbers. Who wants to walk this one through me? Somebody different. Somebody. I guess it's me. I'm not gonna.
No.
Okay. Okay, let's do this one as a group. Let's do one as a group. Variable is what? N. What do I not like looking at that I can get rid of right now? Negative 2. Let's flip it, multiply it on both sides. The whole point is to get rid of this fraction here. You are left with n plus 1 equals 15 times negative 2 is negative 30. Okay, last step. What do I do? I'm subtracting 1 because I'm wanting to cancel. Negative 30, negative 1 is negative 31. There's your answer. And go ahead and star that one. How do you study math? Okay, if I'm telling you in your notes to star, that's something you need to go back and look at. Another way to study math is to do more problems like this, okay? All right, number 6. Go ahead and star it. Isn't that good news? Yes, it is. Oh, thanks. All right, this one looks a little different. Y, bless you, over 5 minus 6 equals 8. Y over 5 minus 6 equals 8. What do I do first? Try it.
Add the 6.
Yes. All right, so we have y over 5 equals 8 plus 6 is what? 14. One step and we're done. Keep going.
Oh, okay. Then multiply the 5.
I want to get rid of the 5. What you do on one side, you do on the other. That cancels. Y is equal to
70.
All right, let's do another one like it. Number 7, star it. This is 4 problems starred. Negative 3 equals 2 plus a over 11. Focus on where your variable is. look at what is in the way. Here's your variable, here's your equal sign. All right, who's got it? Amelia, go for it. What do I do first?
Subtract the 2 from
Okay, stop there. She's right. This problem is flipped. Okay? Does everybody see you have to move the 2 over? Okay? And we're subtracting because it's positive. Okay? So now what? Okay, one more step and we're done. Okay, I want to get rid of the 11. What you do on one side, you do on the other. Cancel, cancel. So A is equal to negative 50. Any questions? Okay,